Hey everyone, I'm Isaac Patino. I'm one of your fellow classmates, and I'm going to go ahead and start this introduction video by talking about my goals. So, my goals in life were pretty straightforward, get a car, have my own place, get through school, get a good job, start a family, like any other person, or most people. So far, I've gotten my car, got it 3 days ago, so yay for me. Today's my birthday, so I thought I'd treat myself. And then right now I'm going through college, so second semester. It's going well so far. Really like all of my classes and everything I'm doing. So a major achievement of mine would be getting through college this next 3 years. I think it'd be great to have a bachelor's degree in computer science because that's what I'm here for at CSUSB. I'm really trying my hardest to get through it. I can't wait till we get back to campus in August, because that way, I can meet more of my classmates, meet more of my teachers, and it's not so one-sided when I'm joining a Zoom call or something like that. Some basic achievements I've made in my life so far was getting the car, getting through high school, getting into college. That's pretty much it. Right now, I'm 19. I have a lot of friends where I live. I live in Beaumont, California. We like to go out. We like to hike. We like to play games together. We like to just, we have sword fighting tournaments, which is very fun. And I just love hanging out with them. They're the kind of people that we could just sit down and spend a long time just talking to each other about anything. My interests, I love drawing. It's one of my favorite hobbies. I love doing anything technical, computer related. It's great. Math is my favorite school subject. I know a lot of people don't like math. I don't know why, but it's like a puzzle to me. That's why I like it so much. Anything special about my family? Up until 4 months ago, I was a middle child, and then I just found out my mom's pregnant. So I'm gonna be the first middle. I don't know. So let's go. I have a big sister. And it's me. Then I have my younger brother, and then I'm gonna have a younger something because we don't know the gender yet. I live in this house with my stepdad and mom, and we get along just great. I love it here. I have 3 dogs: Bane, Bobo, and Bender. They're all miniature pinchers, and they're just giant rats basically. But I love them. So throughout this class, I hope to gain the ability to talk better. I know it sounds weird, but I really have problems with giving presentations because I get really nervous. But I hope that over the course of this class I can meet some of you guys, and maybe you guys have similar problems, or you get nervous when there's all these eyes on you. But I will really try to make my speeches worth watching. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so glad to be a part of this class. Thank you.